Fight between Gujarat Governor and Narendra Modi over the Lokayukta has now got bitter, with Narendra Modi government tabling an amended Lokayukta bill in the Assembly, which will most likely dilute the powers of the state Lokayukta. The bill has been introduced in the Gujarat Assembly today. It also attempts to overhaul the process of appointing the Lokayukta, virtually giving the full control to the state. Isn't it, Abhishek? What's the point of a Lokayukta then?
Well, opposition here maintains that the whole purpose of bringing this bill by the Modi government is to kind of strangulate the whole office of the Lokayukt, because the bill has provisions for taking the appointment of Lokayukt from the ambit of the Chief Justice and the Governor, which was the case in the earlier Act, into the camp of the Chief Minister. It would be a government majority panel that would now appoint the Lokayukt. Also, there is a provision for converting the office of the Lokayukt into a commission with into a multiple member body with deputy Lokayukts, and a provision that there would be administrative members as well, and the investigation would be carried out by a joint panel of one judicial and one administrative member. So essentially, the opposition sees these provisions as those that dilute the whole powers of the office of the Lokayukt. Also, in fact, there is a provision that if on primary investigation a complaint is found to be frivolous, there is a provision to fine and even imprison the complainant himself or herself. So which means effectively that there are provisions of deterrence also in this bill against making complaints against public officials. So far as the government side is concerned, Niranjan, the government maintains that this is for the first time that the Chief Minister himself is being brought into the ambit of investigations, and also the definition of public office has been widened to include urban local bodies and rural local bodies like the municipalities and the panchayats respectively into the ambit of the Lokayukt. So essentially, the fight on in the assembly, the leader of opposition, Shankar Singh Waghela, is taking on the government, and he has made this charge that the whole purpose of bringing this bill is to exclude Justice R.A. Mehta's appointment, and that has to be responded to by the government now.
Abhishek, it interestingly looks to eliminate the role of the Governor and Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court from the appointment process. Very interesting. We'll follow the story. Some more reactions coming in to this developing story from Gujarat.
यही बीजेपी का असली चाल चरित्र और चेहरा है। सीएजी की रिपोर्ट है 26,000 करोड़ के गड़बड़ी घोटाले की गुजरात में, और उनके एक मित्र येदियुरप्पा जी जेल जा चुके हैं, भाजपा के मुख्यमंत्री रहे हुए। नरेंद्र मोदी जी अपने उसी नतीजे से डरते हैं, इसलिए पहले राज्यपाल से लड़ाई लड़ी, न्यायालय गए, न्यायालय ने कहा कि नहीं, बिल्कुल सही फैसला हुआ है। उच्च न्यायालय ने कहा, उसके बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि बिल्कुल ठीक हो रहा है। तो अब एक डरे हुए व्यक्ति की तरह कानून बदलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
गुजरात में 1984 से 35 ईयर से गुजरात में ये लोकायुक्त का कानून है, और हर सरकार ये कानून के मुताबिक लोकायुक्त के अपॉइंटमेंट करती थी और वो रिपोर्ट भी देती थी। लेकिन जब से गुजरात में नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार आई है, तब से 9 साल से उन्होंने एक भी दफा लोकायुक्त की अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं होने दी है, और जब भी महामहिम गवर्नर ने कोशिश की, तब उन्होंने उसको स्कटल कर दी है।